What's up guys, welcome to this another brand new tutorial on Sony Vegas Pro 16, and in this video I'll be showing you my best YouTube setting on Sony Vegas Pro 16. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I'll be right back. Let's open our Vegas Pro 16. The settings I'm going to show you, you can also apply them on other Vegas Pro versions. The first thing, we import our clip. Let me just choose this. I click and drag into my Vegas project. This message always appears whenever you import any video clip in your Sony Vegas. So when you import for the first time, it always asks you this question: if you want your project to be set based on the clip properties, based on the clip you just uploaded, you just imported. So do you want to set your project settings to match this media? I don't want it, so I'll hit the no button so that I show you how you can set those settings. So first thing, I go to project, video properties, or you just hit Alt plus enter. You hit Alt and then you press enter. It opens you this menu to set up your project. So the first thing is this one is best setting. That is the one I currently used in my project. So I'm gonna use a different one. Like, I opened this, I move down to this HD 1080 60i. I choose this one. I go to the field order. I put to non-progressive. Scan. The output rotation, it should be 0. Don't touch that one. I move down to my pixel format. I'll write it at 8-bit, or I can put it to 32 floating point. That is the video level, but it is okay like that if you allow it at 8-bit. Scroll down. This pixel aspect ratio should be 1 square. Move down to this full resolution rendering quality. Set it to best. For the default one is always good. You set it to best to have a good rendering video quality. Gaussian, motion blur, tide, Laroy, and Gaussian, interlace method, blend field, and you move to the audio. Set your bit depth to 16 is okay. Your resample and stretch quality, set it to best. I think you always find it good. Or preview, set it to best, and then you move on to your summary. All this one stable, allow them like that. You can rename this preset here. You rename it so that each time you start a new project, you don't need to edit all these settings again. So you just need to put here, like maybe YouTube settings, that is that, and then you hit on this save template. So hit on start all projects, all new projects with these settings if you would like these settings to be used in every project you edit in Sony Vegas. Then you hit on the apply. After editing your video, importing, putting your text and others, you need to go to file. You first select the entire project by clicking and dragging where you want to render. Like this one, I want to render this. Move to file, render as, and then you choose Sony AVC MVC. you scroll down to internet HD, this one, then you hit on customize template. So you can equally save this, so that each time you want to render, you just simply select the template, not to be, so that you don't waste time as much as possible, so that you won't waste any of your time editing them again. So I'll set this best. I go to save. So video format should be ABC. The frame size should be 1920 by 1080. That is like the default video quality. You'll find this resolution in most of the videos. You can go higher to 4K, 8K, but this is the default one. You can put it to down, set it to high definition, 1280, 1280 by 720p, but I will recommend you allow it at 1920 and 1080p to have a good video quality. Go to profiles, allow it at high, and the entropy coding back, go down. Pixel aspect ratio should be 1 square pixel. Non-progressive scan as well, set that to non-progressive scan. Then you move to bitrate per second, allow it at 16 million. Hit on the audio format, allow it like that. The sampling rate 48,000 is okay. The bitrate, set the bitrate to 320 so that you have a good quality audio. Set it to 320,000 kilobyte. Set it to 320, and the audio coding mode should be stereo. Then go to system, go to project, use project setting, put the best, use best rendering project quality. And before going to render, my project is untitled, the name is untitled, so I'm going to name project best YouTube. YouTube settings. So I hit render. We'll be right back after the rendering process. So it's almost through. That is it. Our project rendering is done. So if I check on the resolution here, I click, I go to properties, and then I go to details. You see that we chose 1920 by 1080. So that was that. If you need these settings in French, just hit on the video on the YouTube time card, or use the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to leave your comments, your likes, and to subscribe for those who are new here. I will see you in the next video.